Hey everybody, welcome to Enter the PC. So I have some notes here and whatnot that I wrote, and I'd like to talk about why I started this channel. So this channel is for the dreamers, the doers, the do-it-yourselfers. This channel is for Mac fans out there that are maybe want to dip their toes in the waters of Windows. And I'm here to let you know it's okay to switch. It's okay to try Windows. This channel is a mix of creativity, engineering, news, and analysis, along with some personal opinions that you'll get from me about PC stuff that I've seen. I encourage everyone watching to participate in the videos in the chat on YouTube. And if you know any better or different way to do any of the stuff that I mentioned, please comment and leave your comments below. So with that, let's enter the PC.